Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social services agency business. If your agency handles appointments and collects data manually, then it can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will book appointments and respond to all these queries automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for social service agency. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general message like hello. And our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Hopeline Social Services. We are here to help you with appointments, document submission and support FAQs. Please select an option." And here we have 3 options. I'm going to select the first one. To schedule an appointment, please reply with full name. So here I'm going to send my name. To schedule an appointment, please reply with purpose. Example, housing, benefits, ID help. So here I'm going to send my purpose. And it responds me with, "Thank you demo user. Your request for ID help has been received. We will confirm your slot shortly via WhatsApp." Next, I'm going to choose submit document. And it responds me with, "You can upload your documents directly here." So here I'm going to send this dummy document. And the chatbot responds with, "Thank you, we have received your documents. We will update you shortly." And lastly, I'm going to choose an option, common questions. Please type your issue or question below. A support agent will assist you shortly, or call us directly on this given number. Support hours Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this is the social service agency chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and to do that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for Social Service Agency. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern of characters which helps us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. We also have an option to choose template. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of the text button option. Here I've added this message which will look like this. Welcome to Hopeline Social Services. Here I've added little star signs because it will make the message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional as well. We are here to help you with appointments, document submissions and support FAQs. Please select an option. And here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to give some quick reply options such as book an appointment and as submit documents. And lastly, I'm going to add an option of common questions. Once we are done with our first message, we are going to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Once we are done creating our first message, we will create responses for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with book appointment. And for that, I'm going to access the action type notes. And then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm going to ask details of the user. Here I'm going to add to schedule an appointment, please reply with full name. Again, here I'm going to add little star signs to make it bold. And here we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom fields, we have to create it first. You can check the link in the description box to know how to create contact custom fields. Once you are done creating your contact custom fields, you can select them from the drop down. Here I'm going to select name and as format, I'm going to select text. Now we have option to provide number of attempts and validation message. I'm going to leave validation message empty and you can provide as much as number of attempts as you want. Then I'm going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option. Next, I'm going to create another question and I'm going to add it here. Here I've added my second question, which is purpose. Example, housing benefits, ID help. Here in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add and as format, I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to link it to the question box. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message. Here I've added this message. It will look like this. Thank you $name. Name was our contact custom field and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user. Your request for $add. Again, add was our contact custom field for purpose and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual purpose of the user. Your request has been received. We will confirm your slot shortly via WhatsApp. So after generating a response for the first quick reply option, we are going to move on to the next. For submit documents, I'm going to access this ask media option. I'm going to click on it and here I'm going to add. You can upload your required documents directly here. I'm going to leave contact custom field empty and as media type, I'm going to select document. Then we have number of attempts. I'm going to provide 2 attempts and I'm going to leave validation message empty. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option and lastly I'm going to create a response for common questions. And for this, I'm going to access text button again and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message and our message will look like this. Please type your issue or question below. A support agent will assist you shortly. Or call us directly on this given number. Support hours Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for social service agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you've created your flow, you can save it. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.